Hey guys, I'm just out here in the yard collecting some seeds today. I seen these 4 o'clocks. There's a few of them left that are about to die out for the year, but there's a little bit of seed on here. I haven't done a video, I don't think, on collecting 4 o'clock seeds, so I'm going to do a quick one right now. Right at the top of the plant where the flower blooms, they'll create a little seed pod. And right there is the seed pod. You see it right there, guys. Kind of hard to see out here. Let's see if we can find another one. There's one right there. Right there's one. You see it? Right there. Alright, there's a couple right over here. Right there's one. But you just pull these off and it'll just be nice little 4 o'clock seed. About waited too late to do this video because a lot of the seed is coming off of the plant and it's already failed. As you can see down here, there's a bunch of little 4 o'clocks coming up where the seed is already falling off the plants. But there's a little bit of seed left on this plant, so let's see if we can find some more. There was this one right here. See it? But you gotta wait till they turn this blackish color. And there it is. But these are about done for the year. But that's an easy way to collect some 4 o'clock seeds. They come up real good. These are some little ones that have failed down here. And these will come back next year. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.